Hey, Sona here. Welcome back to my channel, the place to be to create a life that you love. And I'm going to talk about a mantra which I have learned from an American author, Mary Folio, whose work I'm deeply inspired by. So the mantra is start before you're ready. And this has been a magical mantra which has transformed my life in ways that I can't even imagine or express for that matter. So initially when I started, I had a lot of self-doubt, a lot of fear whether I'll be good enough, will I be able to make it to the level that I want, do I have the knowledge and skills that it requires to be efficient in my field, what if people laugh at me, what if I don't make profits, and all those doubts never left me until I heard this mantra, start before you're ready. The time is never going to be right. You will always have those fears deep within. You may feel that you will start once you lose weight, or you will start something once you learn the skills required in that field. The time is not right. Your kids need to grow up, and you will give yourself n number of mistakes. You may think, what if you fail? What if people just don't get you? What if you just make a complete failure in your industry? And that's when these doubts and fears are going to kill us. And sometimes, even when the best of opportunities arise, you may not take it up, you may not feel confident enough, and in your mind start thinking that you wish this opportunity had come a little later when you were a bit more prepared. But the truth is that you're never going to be prepared. You're never going to be ready for the things that are most important in your life. All progress, whether it is personal or professional, begins with a brave decision, a decision to act, a decision to make a move. And this happens only when you have momentum by your side. Momentum is the secret ingredient. Yes, it is the secret ingredient that you need for anything, to achieve anything in your life. And the only way to have momentum by your side is to disobey that voice in your head, that inner voice that tells you that no, this is not the right time, you're not yet ready for it. This voice, this inner voice is going to stop you, is going to literally kill you from achieving all your dreams. And you need to stop thinking and just start doing. Here are three important things, three important steps that will help you start before you are ready. The first thing is to be careful about extensive research and planning. Starting before you're ready does not mean that you need to be completely ignorant about your dream. Of course, you will need to do some initial research and planning depending on the nature of your work. But extensive research and planning is what is the problem. That is the reason why you keep procrastinating things. You may spend days, months, and even years doing the same thing, preparing yourself for something and never getting on to actually achieving any tangible progress. Remember, you don't need to know every single thing about your dream. You don't need to have every single step planned in advance. And don't hide behind books or websites. Instead, prepare yourself for action. Have real-time conversations. That's when you learn faster, and that's when you're going to grow. Just know that at all times you need to know your next step. What is the one clear objective that you need to take to reach your next step? Have timelines and make sure to do it within the stipulated timeline. The second thing is to show up. Find a way to add money and time into the game. For example, if you want to learn public speaking skills, then pay for a course, enroll for something where there are people involved as well. What happens is when money is involved, you automatically start doing it. You automatically spend time doing the course. And when there are people involved, you also feel the guilt and shame in case you don't show up. So showing up is the best way to motivate yourself to do things. One important tool over here is to have an accountability partner, probably someone who's doing the same course with you, so that you make sure that you finish each day's task and report to the accountability partner. This one thing has helped me a lot. Having an accountability partner has really benefited in a lot of ways. It has helped me to become consistent with things because I know that at the end of the day I have to report to someone else. Another thing that you can do is to have, there are a lot of these digital apps these days. There are digital tools as well for accountability. You can try one of those. Use whatever method that works for you, but just make sure to do it. Your life is at stake. Don't play around. It's high time that you now start taking life seriously and just start and take action. The last thing is to keep learning and evolving. When I started as a life coach, I was unsure about a lot of things. I used to wonder whether I would be able to understand people, whether I would be able to understand their pain points. What if I don't? What if I fail? That's when I heard this concept that I am a third grade teaching a second grade, and that made me a little more comfortable. So I'm a third grade teaching a second grade, and as I keep learning, I'll be able to teach higher grades as well. And when I just kept with this flow, when I went with this flow, things automatically started unfolding for me. Had I stopped myself thinking that I'm not good enough, I would have been nowhere today. Do you resonate to what I'm saying? If yes, then do comment below and let me know if you have had any of such experiences. I would love to hear from you. And I hope you've liked this video. If you have, don't forget to share it with someone who would benefit from this. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you next week. Namaste.